Hey friends, today I'm going to be unboxing the Classic Brands Cool Gel Ventilated Memory Foam Mattress. It's a 12-inch gel memory foam mattress that's got a lot of good ratings, almost 5 stars on Amazon. So I thought I'd get it and check it out. So let's go unbox this thing. Friends, this weighs about 70 pounds, so might need a little help. It's the most efficient way to open this up, but staples. Get it out now. Okay, so however you want to open your box. Gel in there, I guess. Okay, so we ordered a bed too, but that has not come yet, so we're just gonna take a couple, about 48 hours for these decompress or whatever before we use them. So this is a full size. Let's cut this outer layer of plastic. Make sure you don't hit that inner layer one. It will start expanding on you if you give it room to. I guess we don't need tools. We have our hands. It looks like this is the bottom part. You got a leak. Okay. Looking good so far. It's a 12-inch mattress. So, I haven't seen the instructions yet. Usually they come with some kind of instructions, or maybe a cutting device. Got a mattress before, it came with a little letter opener. You slide right into the plastic and raise it with a razor on it there. It opened pretty easy, but this wasn't too difficult. Zippers open. Maybe silica backs. Kind of an odor. It's not super bad, but it is a. Maybe just get too close there. I think we're gonna flip this thing over, maybe. Take a look at the top part. Okay, so there it is. And it's going to take a little while for that to settle, I guess. The other ones we've had seem to set up almost instantly, didn't they? So this one may be taking a little while. And most of them say, 48 to 72 hours. So that's probably the case with this one. So we'll be back in a while and show you guys that. So kind of it's got this little cool gel foam thing in the front. It's got yeah, nice, it's pretty soft on top here. The bottom has little rubber grippers on there, so we'll slide around. There it is, my friends. We'll be back a few days here to show you what it's looking like. Hopefully the bed will be here by then and we can set it up on there. Well, it's been, what, 3 days, and here's the mattress now. It's pretty much fully expanded. It still has a pretty strong smell though, so this is the front of it. It's a 12-inch mattress. I'm going to go ahead and put this here. We just got this new bed frame as well. I made a video of that, and you guys can find that on my channel if you want. But here it is. Still pretty strong smell. It is definitely pretty cozy though. It's a nice, it's very soft. It's a nice soft mattress. You pretty much sink in. If you like that kind of mattress, then it's pretty good. So I read some other reviews, and I guess the smell goes away after a little while. We've had a couple other gel foam mattresses, and they didn't smell this strong. But this is a thicker mattress as well, so hopefully it'll go away in a while. It is a pretty strong smell, but seems like a super comfortable mattress. Okay, so this is also, if you have a bed with a little end on there, it's tall enough so if you have a giant son that his feet can hang over and not be bothered by this part here. So that's because it's well, it's a 12-inch mattress, like I said, but if you have with this particular bed, I think it's only up like 6 inches or something like that. So it's kind of nice to have a little overhang if the mattress isn't long enough and you got someone that's pretty tall. So all right, so see you later.